Wow! Finally, I bought one, but this is not mine. This is for my sister. She requested me to get her one in green because green is her favorite color. The texture of the cover feels like suede or leatherette. It's such a nice feel. The texture is very smooth and feels so soothing, cozy. This is made in China. This resembles like a traveler's notebook. It's indeed slim. I really like this notebook. Maybe someday I'll get the other colors. Thick and stretchy. And the last item that I bought from Daiso is this arm sleeve because it's getting warmer now here in Qatar, so I need to have something like this whenever I go out if I don't feel like wearing long sleeves, so I can have this option so that my arms won't be too much exposed with the sun's heat, because temperatures here could reach up to 45 degrees. Made in China. There's no sale at Daiso, but the prices always stays mostly at 7 Qatari riyals. This is how much I paid for the 3 items.